Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 14.1. Already we did first problem. Now second problem. Okay. Second problem. What is the given question? Consider the following distribution. The following distribution. Consider the following distribution of daily wages. Daily wages of 50 workers. Of a factory is given as daily wages in rupees. Daily wages in rupees. Number of workers. So given table is daily wages 100 to 120. Next 120 to 140. 140 to 160. 160 to 180. 160 to 180. 180 to 200. 180 to 200. These are the daily wages intervals. Now number of workers. From 100 to 120, 12 workers. From 120 to 140, 14 workers. 140 to 160, 8 workers. 160 to 80, 6 workers. And 180 to 200, 10 workers are given. So we have to find the mean of daily wages of the workers. Find mean of daily wages of workers. Daily wages of workers using appropriate method. Using appropriate method, we have to find the mean of daily wages. Okay. Right. Let us solve this. By observing the class marks, we can decide which method we have to consider. Okay. Now I will write the daily wages and number of workers in the solution also. Here write daily wages in rupees. So 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Here number of workers I am taking as frequency. Number of workers. I am treating this column as Fi. So 100 to 120 wages, 12 workers are working. For 120 to 40, 14 workers are working. 140 to 60, 6 workers are working. 61, 8 workers are working. 160 to 80, 6 workers. From 180 to 200, 10 workers. So this is the given information in the question. Now I am finding the class marks. Class marks are denoted by Xi. Xi means 100 plus 120, 220 by 2. 220 by 2 is 220, 110. 120 plus 140, 260. 260 by 2, 130. 140 plus 160, 200, 300. 300 by 2, 150. 160 plus 180, 320. Right? 340. 340 means 170. So difference is 20, 170. Next 190. 200 plus 3, yes, 190. The Xi values are very large values. So what I am going to use? I am going to use step deviation method. Why? Because Xi values are very large values. So for that we have to choose one assumed mean among xi. So we have to assume the A value. What is the middle value? Middle value is 150. So this I am assuming as A. Now I will find DI, deviations. How to find? From xi subtract A. 110 minus 150 will give minus 40. 130 minus 150 minus 20. 150 minus 150 0. 170 20. 190 40. Next DI also somewhat large, so I am using H, which is the multiple of this DI value is 20. I am choosing 20 as H. Then you will get UI. UI equal to D by 20, where 20 is H. Okay, H is 20 here. H equal 20. So by dividing it, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. UI equals, right? This is H value. So after getting UI, we have to find Fi into UI. Okay, I am going to find Fi into UI. Fi into UI. 12 to the minus 24. 14 ones are minus 14. 0. 6. 10 twos are 20. Then after summation Fi, find summation Fi. Here summation Fi into UI. Summation Fi is, by adding all this you will get 50. Summation Fi UI is 20 minus 4 minus 18 minus 6 minus 12. This is minus 12. Right? I got Fi and UI, summation Fi and UI, and summation Fi. Now I am going to find the mean of the wages. Mean is denoted by x bar. X bar equal to A plus summation Fi into UI by summation Fi into H. What is A value? 150. What is Fi UI? 12 by summation F 50 into H is 20. 0 0 cancel here. By taking LCM, 5 0 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 750 minus 4 2 1 is 2, 24 by 5. 750 minus 24 by 2, 750 minus 24, 7 2 6, 726 by 5. So by dividing it, 5 1s are 5 4s are 5 5s are 0.2. 145.2 is the mean wages of the workers. So therefore mean wages of the workers is, therefore mean wages of workers is rupees 145.2, approximately 15. Okay. Now problem number 3, third problem in this exercise. The following distribution shows. Shows the daily pocket allowances. Allowances of children of a locality. Children of a locality. The mean pocket allowances. Allowances is rupees 18. So mean is given here. Find the missing frequency F. Missing frequency F. So one frequency value is missing in the given table. We have to find it. We have given here mean, right? Mean of the problem. So daily pocket allowances here. Allowances, and here number of workers. children's, number of children's. Okay, daily allowances in rupees is given 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 19 to 21. Next, I will continue the table here. Now values are 11 to 13, 7 number of children, 13 to 15 number of children, 6, 15 to 17, 9, 17 to 18, 13, 19 to 21. This frequency is missing, F. Next 21 to 23, 21 to 23, 5 members, 21 to 23, 23 to 25, 4 members. 4 members. So this is the given table. Here one missed frequency is there. We have to find the missed frequency. And in the question we have the mean value of the problem. So using that we can find the missing frequency. I will write the given allowances and children in the solution also. Right? Here pocket allowances. First column. Pocket allowances. Here number of children. Number of children. Pocket allowances from 11 to 13. Here intervals are 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. Right? And number of children I am taking as a frequency column, Fi. This is Fi column. Okay. From the 11 to 13, how many children are given? From 11 to 13. Seven children. From 11 to 13 given 7 children. 13 to 15 6 children. 15 to 17 9 children. 17 to 19 13 children. 19 to 21 missed frequency. And here 21 to 23 5. 23 to 25 4. So here I am finding class marks now. Next class on class marks. Class marks are denoted by Xi. How to get 11 plus 13, 24 by 2, 12, 13 plus 15, 28 by 2, 14, 15 plus 17, 20, 32, 32, 1, 6, 16, 18, here 20, 22, 24, 22, 24. Now suppose assume this as large values, then choose assumed mean. I am assuming this as assumed mean. Next I will find dA. dA equal to xi minus a. xi 12 minus 18 minus 6, 14 minus 18 minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. After that find fi into dA. So I am using assumed mean method. Okay. You can use tabulation method also, no problem. So DI values are very small, no? So I am using assumed mean method. 7 6 the 42, 6 4 the minus 24, 9 2 the minus 18, here 0, 13 into 0, f into 2 2f, 5 plus 5 into 4, 20, 4 6 the 24. Okay, now I am finding the summation Fi here. Summation Fi will be total value 13, 20, 25, 29, 29 here, 29 plus 7, 36 plus 6, 44. 13 plus 9, 20. Okay, 44. 44 plus f. Okay, total fi into summation fi is 44 plus f. By adding these values, 24 cancel. 20 minus 18, 2 minus 40 plus 2f. So 2f minus 40. Summation fi into di. Summation fi into di is 2f minus 40. Right? Now I am using mean formula in assumed mean method. What is mean formula? Mean x bar equal to assumed mean method a plus summation fi into di by summation fi. In subdivision method into h will be there, but it is only assumed mean method. So summation fi into di by summation fi. What is assumed mean? What we assumed 18. Fi into di is 2f minus 40 by summation fi is 44 plus f. So this is 18. This is the formula in assumed mean method, and mean is given. What is the mean? Given mean is 18 rupees. So here I am substituting 18. So by sending 18 at this side you will get 0. 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f. By sending the denominator you will get 2f minus 40 is equal to 0 and 2f equal to 40 and f equal to 40 by 2. So mixed frequency is 20. So mixed frequency is 20. Therefore we can write mixed frequency is 20. Mixed frequency is 20. So in this way you can solve homework problems.